I'll be honest, I'm quite lucky with what I'm able to do. I'm able to go to a good place to learn, I'm able to make these videos, and I'm able to have fun in my hometown. The thing is though, every once in a while, you just need an escape. And over the past while, I've kind of felt trapped in this kind of bubble that is Metro Atlanta. And when you're really young and you feel this way, your parents just hop on it like that. And they schedule family trips, and I have fond memories of going to Beaufort and seeing my cousins in South Carolina, meeting family in Chicago multiple times, going to Seattle for the first time and seeing my aunt, and then my many trips to Oregon to see my grandparents. And as you get older, it's not just the people, but also the place and the journey you go along the way. I think back to Ireland when I went with my high school's choir program. The videos are terrible, but still, it was an amazing trip, and it was just further helped by a beautiful country and beautiful people. Family trips have starting to become like that. The only thing is, as I get older and as my sisters get older, it's getting harder to finance such trips like these, but also justify it with the threat of college admissions and like keeping up with high school. And this is the last family trip I expect to go on with my parents and my sisters. And it's quite a special place, and we are going to meet a very special person along the journey. I also haven't told you who the special individual is. Basically, the reason for this family trip is simple. My great-grandmother, who I've never met, who lives in the Philippines, is turning 100. On top of that, and a few other things, I'm going to the country for the first time. But there is one stop we need to go to first, before we can do any of that. I'm in Japan. It's kind of cold right now, not gonna lie. Japan is one of the many destinations that I'd like to visit sometime later in my life. There's just one thing. When you take connecting flights, you're kind of in this thing called no man's land. And maybe I'll do it someday, but right now, we're about to land in someplace way more special.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Manila, where the local time is approximately 20 p.m.
We've just made it through immigration. We are now officially entered inside the Philippines, and we're at baggage claim. There's just one problem. All of these people, literally everyone, is just at the edge. And there's not really any room for me to grab shots like this of me grabbing my suitcase. So yeah. And now that I'm here at the hotel, I gotta tell you guys, one, my camera is about to die. It has like a handful of minutes left of battery life. Two, I'm heckin' exhausted. I've been on planes for 20 hours, and I feel like I've been up for about 2-ish days, and I need my rest. I need my rest. So, yeah, this is chapter 1 over. Chapter 2 coming up.
明月夜，一皎如从